Like they don't see us, maybe. Just cast in there. Actually, whatever, screw it. I see a bass right there. It's a nice one.
Yeah, we can't. Oh, just keep all those like that.
Really? Where? Oops. I can't. He's stuck. After you go to the bar.
Go check my
Ouch. Ooh. I don't know. There he goes. Is it legal to snag fish? Probably carp too.
One I can snag reed.
Oh, there you go.
There he's got one.
Here, I will. Actually, Isaac.
That'd be hilarious if that was a northern.
There he is. Here you go. Got it? There?
I think it's my GoPro's on.
Watch out for that rod, you're going to snap your rod.
Oh my god, this is my least favorite.
What, fish? The one in the pond. Here, Isaac, let me see. Show it to the camera.
Yeah, it looks so cool.
Turn him around to you. Play with his belt. There you go.
Yeah, Dad, I got a walleye, I think. Yeah, don't lose it this time. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, it's on. Oh, he went in a weed pile. No! He got off. I don't know, I couldn't see it. It was a big walleye or a big northern. Maybe even a big bass, but it stayed down. I don't know. I jumped before. That put up a really good fight. Holy crap. I would have been mad if that was a big bass. Ooh, nice bass. Nice bass. Yeah, I think so. Bass. Oh, it's not even that big. Well, it's just pretty nice. I know. Here, Isaac, can you take a picture? Sweet! That thing put up a huge fight, too. Oh, yeah, sorry. He came up, too. He came up for the thing. I saw him grab it. That was a nice bass. That was probably 2.5, 3. Cast it by that pipe. To the left of that pipe. He hit it like right here. Nice. Should I grab it? I'll get him for you. I'll grab him anyway. Do you want a picture with this one?
Alright, I got a picture with the other little one.
Nice. That's like 3 huge fish, or 3 nice fish in under 5 minutes.
And they're all just right in here, so I thought that was a leaf.
Got 2 right away, Isaac, and then we... That one guy said yesterday when I was over there, when I went to go where he was, he said you have to keep working them like this, like in because then they get scared.
Big one?
Yeah, it's a nice one. It's a bass. It's a bass.
Don't horse him. You're gonna lose him again. When he takes mine, let's go. That's a big one.
Grab his mouth.
Fatty. Huge. Picture that one.
That's how big my other one was too.
Okay, the camera on?
Your other one was this big?
My other one was this big.
I don't have a camera. Nice bass.
Yeah, the other one was like that.
And they all splash too when they go away.